What if you could jump into a machine today and emerge in the past or future? Time travel, a fascinating concept that has captured our curiosity through popular culture, is not just a flight of fancy. In fact, science has been dissecting this idea for years. Is time travel just a figment of our imagination or a scientific possibility? Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, believe it or not, gives us a hint. It's all about the interplay between space and time, which Einstein bundled together into what we now call spacetime. Here's where it gets interesting. According to his theory of special relativity, time isn't the same for everyone. It's a bit like a cosmic game of hide and seek. Imagine you're on a spaceship traveling close to the speed of light. To you, time would seem to pass normally. But if you could peek back at Earth, you'd see time on our blue planet moving much faster. This is known as time dilation. In theory, you could zip around space for a few years, return to Earth, and find that decades or even centuries have passed. That's future time travel. But what about going back in time? That's where Einstein's theory of general relativity comes in. It introduces the concept of wormholes, shortcuts through space-time that could, potentially, allow for a trip to the past. Picture them as cosmic backdoors, if you will. However, it's not as simple as it sounds. The reality of time travel is fraught with paradoxes and scientific hurdles. Imagine, for instance, the grandfather paradox. If you travel back in time and alter events, you could create inconsistencies that defy logic. And let's not forget the staggering energy and advanced technology needed to form wormholes or reach near light speeds. These are not feats we can accomplish with a snap of our fingers. So, while time travel remains theoretically possible, practically achieving it is a different story altogether.